Good morning, Pure Structure Traders. Today is June 14th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I will be giving you guys some of the levels on S&P. Wendy will be giving you guys some of the minor levels that she's going over. And then I'll go over some of the major levels up on gold and also oil for you guys. For those who enjoy these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys have, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube, and we would love to get back to you guys. With that said, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. We for S&P 500, I do have a main level of support coming in 42.2475. Underneath that, it's going to be between 42.0125 to 42.0675. That's going to be another area of my support that I'm looking at. For me, resistance is going to come at 42.48 as of right now. It kind of peaked that area and then we kind of came right back down. So I'm going to be looking for the market to try to pull down a little bit deeper into this area here at 42.75 and see if maybe I can get the market to pull down into that area and then pop back up. So we'll see if we get that opportunity to do that. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy, give her the opportunity to go over some of her minor levels there.
Good morning, Dave. Monday is finally here. I missed the market so much over the weekend, so it was good to be here. Okay, so what do we have? We have, as usual on a Sunday for London, we have very little market, except a gorgeous head and shoulders play. Left shoulder starting around the 42 area, and like clockwork, came down to my second micro peak that I have marked at 42.34. Our first micro peak is at 42.3150, not too far below it, but it is marked, loaded. I'm not talking well, it's a Monday. Marked, locked, and loaded for play. So it's here now. We'll see what happens. The third micro peak is around the 42.38 area. Not only is that a peak, it is support on that head and shoulders pattern. I shorted the head and shoulders pre-market to the second micro peak. I didn't want to take the long there because head and shoulders is a down move. So I could have gotten a couple points, but I didn't. I wanted to wait and see, let the head and shoulders finish out before taking them along. So if it doesn't hold this 42.31 area, then I am looking for a long around its support at the 42.27-28 area, but it might want to come lower. All these levels are marked with your main levels, Dave. So we will have plenty of play action today, and I can't wait. So 3 micro peaks, and we are ready to rock. What do you have for us on gold and oil, Dave?
Awesome. All right. Good work. Let me go ahead and pull up a gold chart. We had quite a bit of movement to the downside on gold. So one of my main levels sitting right here, one of my main levels sitting right here, 1846.9 is an area of support that I do have, which he had 2 nice bounces off that area for a long opportunity. So I'm looking for the market to climb back into these 1855.3s. And then if we could break that level 1858.1 to try to move up, we did have, again, a nice move down. We are pretty extended in the downward move. You guys can see where we dropped off from. On the open for Sunday, we were already somewhere right around this area right here. Let me just pull that up. I think we were even a little bit further back, but we dropped down so much. I know I had a couple opportunities from 79.5, but I do think we're going to curl back up anyway. 1846.9 going to be the support. 55.3 is going to be my area of resistance that I'm looking at first. If you want to continue the trend trading, then you're going to look between 1855.3 to 1858.1 as the area of resistance first to try to continue this move back to the downside from there. With that though, let's go ahead and take a look at oil, give you guys some levels up on that area as well. So for oil, we have been climbing to the upside. I did have a measured move here at 70.89, but we kind of pushed through that. So for the upside move, I do like this area 71.25 as support. We're a little bit extended right now. As you can see, we climbed as high as 71 right in that area. So kind of holding that area as a little bit of resistance right now. Going to see if the market continues past that area or pulls back. But I do like this area right here at 71.25 as a area of support for a continuation move here in this uptrend. If not, then I'll probably be looking for a little bit of a lower area for the movement, which is going to be somewhere right around these 73, 75s and or 70, 75 and or 70, 55 as the areas of support. So we'll see what happens here on oil as well. But with that said, let's go ahead and get into trading with you guys.